Time to get a haircut. Maybe tomorrow.
Put on your sweater as you start to loathe the weather. Keep your paws by the fire and your tails wrapped up together, 'cause you know deep in your heart Christmas will be here soon. Cat treats and milk ready for Santa in a saucer. You don't have a credit card, but you wish you could have bought her as many toys as you know she's gonna buy for you. The mail bay full of catnip as you roll around with glee, tearing up the presents as you hunt under the tree. You'll sleep in the sunlight and only surface when you're hungry. And on Christmas morning, all the cats, they will start swarming. They can smell tuna and salmon, and soon they'll all be roaring for bags of treats that they know you're hiding somewhere. Cold noses and death stares come from every direction, but if you're a cat lover, you get used to the rejection that comes just a